Hello friends, this is Inessa Nestoruk, Product Development Manager at Mihi. For over 2 decades, I have been creating formulas that combine luxurious daily care with cutting-edge achievements from the European beauty industry. With age, the natural processes of skin renewal slow down. After the age of 30, the clarity of facial contours diminishes, sagging appears, and expression lines and fatigue around the eyes are the first to reveal age-related changes. These are signals that the skin needs a systematic lifting care. Why is this happening? The natural processes of skin renewal slow down, collagen production decreases, and daily microtension in the muscles creates persistent wrinkles. Therefore, the skin needs a formula that simultaneously works on smoothing facial expressions, strengthening the barrier, and lifting. The specialists at Mihi have created an innovative system called Face Architect. This is a comprehensive architectural care for restoring the elasticity and tone of the skin. The day and night cream is responsible for the density and clarity of the contours, while the eye cream ensures a fresh, lifted, and radiant look. The secret to effectiveness lies in the synergy of powerful components. The first is hibiscus exosomes, which act as signal transmitters for renewal, supporting elasticity and evening out skin tone. The second is a biotechnological peptide similar to snake venom peptide that gently relaxes micromuscle tension to smooth out expression wrinkles. And bakuchiol is a safe plant-based alternative to retinol for enhancing skin density without irritation. The formula is enhanced with centella extract to improve skin turgor and reduce puffiness. Lifting biopolymers create an invisible tightening veil on the surface for a visually smooth appearance. Meanwhile, shea and soybean oils, squalene, and beta-sitosterol restore the lipid barrier, providing long-lasting comfort to the skin. The effectiveness of the Face Architect range has been proven through independent testing among women aged 35 to 65. After 4 weeks of regular use, 100% of women experienced intense and long-lasting hydration. 96% noticed an increase in firmness, 88% of participants eliminated signs of fatigue, and fine wrinkles became visually less noticeable in 60% of women. As a result, a defined facial contour, smoothed wrinkles, and a fresh, rested look. For maximum rejuvenation effect, I recommend using creams in conjunction with our Spicule Renewal Serum. It activates deep renewal processes and significantly enhances the effects of the creams. Choose European architecture of beauty together with Mihi.